main reasons your art may not be improving. Sometimes we feel stuck in our art progress and we are like, how the freak do I get better? But there are things that we can do to always keep getting up in that ladder and keep going up and up and up and up and finally the result we want. Keep watching for those. Number 1, you don't have a strong habit of training. Yeah, maybe you're drawing and you're all the time like, hey, yeah, let's go. But is this frequent or it's like one time every 6 months? We gotta think of that. We need to ask ourselves, am I doing this enough times so my body can feel used to it, so my brain can understand, oh, here it goes nose, here it goes shadow, here it goes light. Remember to add alarms to remind you to go practice and a schedule in your calendar. Make time for it, even if it's only 20 minutes, okay? Even if it's little as 20 minutes, because the more you can do it frequently, the best it is. It's better to draw only 20 minutes, like every single day, than to go 6 hours on Saturday. That's horrible. Please don't do that. So remember, are you training enough? Are you there all the time like, let's try this, let's try this, let's try this again, let's try this with a little bit harder, let's try this with blue, let's try this with I don't know what. Big brain moment, okay? 2, not enough rest, but you could really leave a like in the video. You know, you would make me so happy if you leave a like in the video. I'm waiting for you. For the workaholics here, yes, I'm calling you out. How dare you say you don't need rest or you can just sleep 5 hours a day? No, you cannot do that. You are not made for that, Simba. I mean, champ. You are not made for that. Come on, come on. Drawing is much more about what is happening in your brain than only your hands alone. So whenever you're thinking, if I just practice, it's going to work. But it's not only your hand that you're practicing your brain. Whenever you're training frequently, you're not only training frequently your hand movement and everything. You're training your brain to find patterns and to understand those patterns, so everything becomes much faster, easier. If you're not resting enough, because sleep is the moment that your brain is going to absorb all of that. It's going to absorb and it's going to a separation motion like, yeah, that art is sleeping. Let's see what they did this day. Trash. Oh, good. Learning. Keep it, trash. And that's what's happening every single night when you are having a great quality sleep. Please take the time you need to sleep. Sometimes I would go like, I really want to watch this anime, but I need to sleep because I was really tired. Prioritize your sleep. If you're feeling tired, go to sleep. Even if you know those memes and that anime and everything is going to make you laugh and ha. It's not the same, champs. It's not the same. So whenever you can, choose the sleep. Sleep is important. Sleep will keep you more calm, with inner peace, everything in order and in place. We like that. We enjoy that. And that's how we learn even faster how to draw and improve fast. I'm serious about that. When I started to improve my sleep, my art quality was like this. Okay, we cannot even see it. It's so high in the sky right now because it was like so low in the ground, and now it's finally where it should be, going up. And your art can be the same, okay? Take your rest time. This is so important. I'm watching you, champ workaholic. Don't you dare get crazy on sleeping only 5 hours. You're not going to absorb as much as someone that is taking care of its body. Remember, your body is your car to race. And if your car is bad, you cannot race. And number 3, the most important tip. For me, this tip is amazing, is incredible. Maybe you can be doing the rest. Maybe you can be practicing a lot. But if you're not doing this tip, everything goes downhill, okay? Everything will go. Challenge yourself. Go out from your comfort zone and draw those crazy hands multiple times. Draw a crazy perspective. Draw what challenges you. Try new things. And I'm not saying, hey, just go there and try only one single hand from a different movement, or you are always drawing people with square shaped head and then you draw like a more stretched face. I'm not talking about this small level of challenge. I'm talking about the crazy challenge that is going to make you feel in your belly like, oh my freaking life, how the freak do I make this? How can I make this happen? That's when you're challenging yourself hardcore, and it's going to create to you your brain like, I cannot keep doing the same things that I was doing. I need to change. I need to evolve to be able to do those things. Everything that I was doing up to this day, I cannot only be based on that. I need to try new things that I have not tried to be able to accomplish that. And that's the beauty of challenging yourself. That's the amazing beauty of it. I would always embrace challenge and see it as something like a video game that I was fighting a boss and I was all the time like, haha, you are level what, 40? I'm level 20. I'm gonna try that. Even if I fail, I'm gonna try that. Because whenever you challenge yourself, you open yourself to new things, new experiences, and new knowledge. Not brain, okay? Brain, we want the brain big. So open yourself to knowledge. I'm talking about something that whenever you feel that cold sensation in your belly, like, damn, this is going to be really hard. How do I make this? You're in the right place. Since I was small, I always loved to try new things and challenge myself on drawing. I would always go like, why not draw 10 characters in this pic, everyone with different poses, light coming from this angle, this other thing. Always. Since I was, I don't know, 10 years old? Yeah, probably 10. I would always love to challenge myself. And this is far away the thing that most helped me grow to where I am today. Please try challenge yourself, but like try challenge yourself to the extreme. The number one thing you're gonna notice after you see that it's like too much or it's like crazy, you're gonna notice that you're capable of doing much more than you think. You're gonna see, oh, I'm really capable of getting a better result than I thought I was going to get here. You're gonna see that you're able to go the extra mile. You're able to get something that you thought that it was impossible for you, but it's not. Spoilers. So whenever you see that you're capable of much more, this is going to build your self-esteem even more, your self-confidence, and all of those things. Even if you are not getting the perfect result, even if it's not the most amazing thing, you're gonna see how much effort you added in it. You're gonna see how much you tried new things. You know how hard it is to try new things, to be open to new things, because we're gonna be used to so much of just the same way of painting. So please be open to new things. It's going to be hard. Try your best, and remember, you're amazing, champ. Comment down below what is the tip that is missing here, why the art is not improving, and what can be changed. And check out our store for art tutorial packs and our Patreon if you want me doing a paint-over of your art for you to help you improve. See you in the next one. Follow for more!